How to record a short video on YouTube. Sign into YouTube on mobile. Tap Create. Tap Create a short beta. To make your short longer than 15 seconds, tap 15 above the record button to record up to 60 seconds. Tap Speed to speed up or slow down recording. Tap Timer to set the countdown to record hands-free and choose when to automatically stop recording. To record a clip, hold the capture button or tap it to start recording, and then again to stop. Tap Undo to remove the previous video clip you recorded, or tap Redo to add it back. Tap Done to preview and enhance your video. Tap Next to add details to your video. Add a title to your short video, maximum of 100 characters. Tap Upload to finish.